Set bills on the table.
Papers to be laid on the table. Shri Ashwini Kumar Chaubey.
उपाध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1 पर अपने नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध कागजात को सभापटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
श्री दानवे राव साहब दादा राव।
संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने क्रम संख्या 2 पर उल्लेखित कागजातों को सभापटल पर रखता हूं।
साध्वी निरंजन ज्योति।
महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या मेरे नाम के आगे 3 पर उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा के पटल पर प्रस्तुत करती हूँ।
श्री पंकज चौधरी।
आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के सामने वर्णित कागज आपकी अनुमति से सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्रीमती अनुप्रिया सिंह पटेल।
Chairman sir, Deputy Chairman sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers pertaining to the Ministry of Commerce and Industry mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Shri Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Shri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, not present. Shri V. Muralidharan.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, on behalf of my colleague Sushri Shobha Karandala J, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against her name at serial number 7 in today's revised list of business.
Yes, I have already told the minister. Yes, he has taken my permission. Srimati Darshana Vikram Jardos.
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at the serial number 8 as per the today's revised list of business.
Thank you. Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel.
Deputy Chairman sir, with your permission, I, on behalf of my colleague Shri Som Prakash Ji, rise to lay on the table of the House papers pertaining to the Ministry of Commerce and Industry mentioned against his name at serial number 9 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Shri Kailash Chaudhary.
उपसभापति महोदय जी, मैं आज के संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के आगे क्रम संख्या 10 के समक्ष दर्शाए गए पत्र सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री देवू सिंह चौहान।
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, I rise with your kind permission to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 11 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs. Shri Anand Sharma ji.
सुजीत कुमार।
Shri Sujit Kumar ji.
Deputy Chairman, sir, I rise to present the following two reports in English and Hindi of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs. 235th report on action taken by government on the recommendations contained in the 231st report on demands for grant 21-22 of the Ministry of Home Affairs, and 236th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the 229th report on the management of COVID-19 pandemic and related issues.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personal Public Grievances, Law and Justice. माननीय सुशील कुमार मोदी जी।
महोदय, मैं विभाग संबंधित कार्मिक, लोक शिकायत, विधि और न्याय संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के निम्नलिखित 4 प्रतिवेदनों की एक प्रति अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी में प्रस्तुत करता हूं। 108th report on action taken on 106th report of the Committee on Demand for Grants 21-22 pertaining to the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. Second, 109th report on action taken on 107th report of the Committee on Demands for Grants 21-22 pertaining to the Ministry of Law and Justice. Number 3, 110th report on pensioners' grievances, impact of pension adalats and centralized pensioners' grievance redress and monitoring system. And fourth, 111th report on strengthening the grievance redressal mechanism of Government of India.
Thank you. Reports of the Committee on Petitions. Shri Prasanna Acharya. Shri Ramnath Thakur ji.
माननीय उपसभापति जी, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यवली में अपने नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध उत्तर पूर्व क्षेत्र में अव्यय प्रगत केंद्रीय संसाधन पूल NLCPR योजनाओं में सुधार और उनकी सुदृढ़ीकरण की प्रार्थना करने वाली याचिका के संबंध में याचिका समिति का 159वां प्रतिवेदन अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
धन्यवाद। स्टेटमेंट्स बाय मिनिस्टर्स। श्री दानवे राव साहब, दादा राव।
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, मैं दिनांक 8/3/2021 को राज्यसभा में प्रस्तुत की गई रेलवे स्टेशनों के आधुनिकीकरण सहित यात्री सुविधाएं पर रेल संबंधी स्थायी समिति की 6ठी रिपोर्ट 17वीं लोकसभा में समाविष्ट सिफारिशों की स्थिति पर यह बयान दे रहा हूं। रिपोर्ट में समाविष्ट सभी सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति संलग्न है। क्योंकि यह वक्तव्य बहुत लंबा है, इसलिए मेरा अनुरोध है कि इसे पढ़ा हुआ समझा जाए।
डॉक्टर संजीव कुमार बाल्यान।
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज राज्यसभा की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 2 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष दर्शाए गए पत्र सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री देवू सिंह चौहान।
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, in pursuance of the Direction 35 of the Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha, I would like to lay a statement showing status of implementation on the recommendations, observations contained in the 22nd report of Standing Committee on Information Technology on demands for grants 2021-22 pertaining to Department of Post on the table of the House without taking valuable time of the House.
Thank you. Motion for election to the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel to move a motion for election of one member to the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority.
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I move the following motion, that in pursuance of Clause D of subsection 4 of Section 4 of the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority Act 1985, Number 2 of 1986, read with Rule 3 of the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority Rules 1986, this House do proceed to elect, in a manner as the Chairman may direct, one member from amongst the members of the House to be a member of the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. Thank you.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Statement regarding government business, Sri V. Muralidharan to make.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to announce that government business for the week commencing Monday, the 13th of December 2021, may consist of consideration and passing of the High Court and Supreme Court judges' salaries and conditions of service Amendment Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha. 2. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Central Vigilance Commission Amendment Ordinance 2021, number 9 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 14th November 2021, and consideration passing of the Central Vigilance Commission Amendment Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha. 3. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Amendment Ordinance 2021, number 10 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 14th November 2021, and consideration and passing of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Amendment Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha. 4. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Amendment Ordinance 2021, number 8 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 30th September 2021, and consideration and passing of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Amendment Bill 2021 after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 5. Consideration and return of the appropriation bill related to the second batch of supplementary demands for grants for the year 2021-22. 6. The consideration passing of the following bills after their introduction: the Biological Diversity Amendment Bill 2021, the Wildlife Protection Amendment Bill 2021, the Mediation Bill 2021, the National Anti-Doping Bill 2021, the Chartered Accountants, the Cost and Works Accountants and the Company Secretaries Amendment Bill 2021.
Papers, please, papers to be laid. Sri Rajiv Chandrasekhar.
Sir, I
Not
rise
going
to lay
on
the
record,
papers
please.
listed.
Not going.
Sir, I rise to lay the papers listed against my
I am
name
not
at
allowed.
serial number
I am
6
not allowed you,
in
Mr.
today's
Vice
revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Zero hour. Yes, you notice. Motion not drawn in proper terms not allowed. Mr. Jha. Sri Rakesh Sinha ji, 0 hour, please.
सभापति महोदय, मैं